Hey guys, it's me, Strictly9to5 here, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to generate adorable animals that look pretty realistic like these ones right here. At the same time, we'll be using DeviantArt's very own AI art generation tool. And of course, the prompts can be used by any other platform that you fancy as well. This video is not sponsored by DeviantArt by any means, and I'm just sharing products that I test and use, so you guys don't have to waste your time and resources figuring things out. And on this channel, I'll teach you how to improve your AI generation game and tips and tricks on how to make your business more efficient. So do like and subscribe if you want more of such information to help you out. And now let's jump into some prompts. Don't worry about pausing the video and copying it. I'll leave all of these prompts that I use in the video description below, so you guys can just copy the whole thing for free and also paste it into your own prompts as well. Now here I'm just going to generate a few varieties, for example a rabbit, a cat, and maybe a dog for example. You can transform into any animal that you fancy and generate whatever you feel like it. And some of you have been actually asking me, is there a free AI art generation tool? And DeviantArt actually allows 5 free generations for users just to test to see if you're interested in AI art generation. And if you do feel like eventually subscribing, you actually get more than just multiple prompts per month. As you can see, I have 100 free prompts per month. But what you also will get is the access to be able to sell your art on the DeviantArt platform, which has a very wide audience. So not only do you get a tool that allows you to generate, but you also have the access to monetize your art on DeviantArt. And you post it online, it will last a really long time, and it's like basically passive income, which is also what this channel is about, helping you generate some extra cash from different ideas. And I actually made some good money in January 2023 selling images on DeviantArt already, and I'll be making a short video sharing on how you can also start selling your own or starting your own AI art business, and what are the images and segments you should actually focus on in order to have some commercial value as well. Like and subscribe if you want more of such AI art tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.